Hello everyone, welcome to CUET episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, who is credited with the discovery of the electron? Option A, Niels Bohr. Option B, Albert Einstein. Option C, J.J. Thomson. Option D, Marie Curie. The correct answer is option C, J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron in 1897, a groundbreaking discovery in the field of atomic theory. Next question is, which country is known as the Land of the Thunder Dragon? Option A, Nepal. Option B, Bhutan. Option C, Myanmar. Option D, Cambodia. The correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Bhutan is called the Land of the Thunder Dragon due to its cultural and natural history associated with dragons in its mythology. Next question is, which is the fastest bird in the world? Option A, Peregrine Falcon. Option B, Eagle. Option C, Cheetah. Option D, Swift. The correct answer is option A, Peregrine Falcon. The Peregrine Falcon is the fastest bird, capable of diving at speeds over 240 miles per hour. Next question is, which bird is known for its distinctive laughing call? Option A, Kookaburra. Option B, parrot. Option C, raven. Option D, owl. The correct answer is option A, Kookaburra. The kookaburra, native to Australia, is known for its loud, laughing-like call. Next question is, which country was the first to develop a nuclear weapon? Option A, United States. Option B, Soviet Union. Option C, Germany. Option D, Japan. The correct answer is option A, United States. The United States developed the first nuclear weapons during the Manhattan Project, culminating in the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Next question is, who invented the first mechanical computer? Option A, Charles Babbage. Option B, Alan Turing. Option C, Blaise Pascal. Option D, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. The correct answer is option A, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as the father of the computer for designing the first mechanical computer, the analytical engine. Next question is, which planet has the longest day? Option A, Venus. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Saturn. The correct answer is option A, Venus. Venus has the longest day of any planet in the solar system, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Next question is, what is the smallest unit of matter? Option A, atom. Option B, electron. Option C, proton. Option D, neutron. The correct answer is option A, atom. The atom is the smallest unit of matter, consisting of a nucleus surrounded by electrons. Next question is, who painted the famous artwork, The Starry Night? Option A, Pablo Picasso. Option B, Vincent Van Gogh. Option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Option D, Claude Monet. The correct answer is option B, Vincent Van Gogh. The Starry Night is one of the most famous paintings by Vincent Van Gogh, created in 1889. Last question is, which is the largest organ in the human body? Option A, brain. Option B, heart. Option C, liver. Option D, skin. The correct answer is option D, skin. The skin is the largest organ in the human body, covering an area of about 2 square meters in adults. Now it's time for practice question. Which is the largest volcano on Earth? Option A, Mount Kilimanjaro. Option B, Mount Fuji. Option C, Mauna Loa. Or option D, Mount St. Helens. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.